Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much, guys, for your great support. Now, fellow Kenyans, there is one thing that I have noticed with our president, that is Dr. William Arap Kipchirchir Samoei Ruto, that anytime any important thing is happening in Kenya, William Ruto must run away for his safety. I want us to try to look at these three scenarios. Number one, during the time of the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua, William Ruto went to hide in America. That is number one. Number two, remember during the time of Gen Z's protest, William Ruto went to Azerbaijan hiding. He went to hide, and right now, as we speak right now, we know very well that we have a lot of serious cases in this country. Number one, we have got the issue of the Utumishi girls, a situation which is in court. We can't talk about that. But now the most critical thing is this issue of Ebola, which William Ruto has not talked about, not even a single day. What is happening right now is that William Ruto is in South Africa as we speak. He's in South Africa. And, sometimes you sit down and you ask yourself that, is it really possible? Because I've seen a lot of people also asking that, is it really possible for this man to go where he's going and never come back? Yes, it's possible that he can go and never come back, but we are not praying for that, because that one will be like unaomba mtu afa. I've seen a lot of people even in the comment section, some people commenting during his travel that huyu mtu siende tu hivyo venye anaenda na ndege na hiyo plane crash na hiyo ndege hata ishike moto hata hewani angani na akufe pamoja na bibi yake na familia yake. Yes, we can pray for that, but that one is again it's like we are praying for tunamwombea mabaya. We should not pray for anybody ili afe ama chochote kimfanyikie. But there is something here. In as much as William Ruto is traveling, we need to ask ourselves, why is he traveling? Ameenda kujificha South Africa. But I want to open our eyes here for a very few minutes, and then you also know what is going on. Or maybe you also tell me what you think at the comment section. But before you do that, let me humbly request, if at all you're meeting for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and also share this video if at all we are meeting for the first time. You can tell me where you're watching the video. If you're in the country, you can tell me part of the country you're watching from. If you outside the country, it is also good to tell me which country, or drop me the code or the flag or even the name of the country where you are at the comment section. Back to our discussion. The Harambee Stars players went to South Africa for their friendly match, right? Of course, if you didn't know, now you know that Harambee Stars went to South Africa to play a friendly match in South Africa. Something happened, or something is happening in South Africa, and this is something that I don't know whether the FKF is supposed to come and talk about it. They should come out clearly and discuss and tell us what really happened. But this is what happened. And Caleb Amisi has tweeted this. Let me just read for you what Caleb Amisi has tweeted. That so our national team Harambee Stars is stranded in South Africa due to unpaid bills. Kenyan president is landing in the same country with a private jet in a trip costing millions of taxpayers' money. The millions is 30 million. And there is still some Kenyans who sees nothing wrong with Ruto. Anyway, let me go back to business. We must do this for our country, Kenya. Now, the business Caleb Amisi is talking about is the impeachment of the president, which I know it's going to be a little bit difficult, but we have somebody must table that motion of the impeachment of the president. There is a comparison here between the priorities. What William Ruto prioritized, because William Ruto ameenda South Africa na jet, a jet that costs 30 million within an hour, 30 million Kenya shillings, and then Mama Samia Suluhu Hassan, that is the president of Tanzania, ameenda Russia. Shola ad has tweeted this, that two presidents, same region, completely different attitudes. towards public money. President Samia Suluhu arrives in Russia aboard an Air TZ aircraft. President William Ruto, meanwhile, flew to South Africa on an expensive chartered private jet. Two East African presidents, two very different choices. Why? And then now you ask yourself, I've been after reading this and after looking at what is going on, what is happening, something came into my mind that now this is the reason as to why William Ruto keeps on talking about 17 million state house. Is to keep on demanding 17 million for state house upkeep, because he knows very well that there's how I'm going to spend this money. Imagine somebody spending 30 million just to travel to South Africa. What is going to do South Africa is in fact, that one is not even, is like he's telling us that one should not even bother you. Should not even be your own problem. That is my problem. I'm the one who knows what I'm going to do to South Africa. So mtu anatumia na kitu funny ya kwamba the same place that he has gone to, the same place that he's going to, Harambee Stars players wameenda pale and they are stuck because of the unpaid bill, and the president of their own republic has gone to the same country with a private jet. Seriously. And then when we talk, people are like, you are against William Ruto, you are against blah, 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 you are against this. We are not against any. I normally say that we are not against the president. We are not against we are not against anybody. We are against what the president does. The first question is, what this president is doing. Are they really relating? Like, ukijaribu kuangalia yale mambo ambayo rais anafanya, are they really good things that okay, somebody can sit down and say that yenyewe rais amejaribu hapa, amefanya 1 2 3, tunampongeza. Is there anything that you can now appreciate that the president has done? Personally, I don't see anything to be appreciative of that. Oh, rais amefanya hii, tunashukuru. There is nothing. Actually, there is nothing to appreciate the president for, because he keeps on doing things. Right now, Kenyans are crying because of the Ebola quarantine. Kenyans are crying. High cost of living. Kenyans are crying. Everything is in a mess in this country. But the president doesn't even care. He doesn't even mention them. What he does is running outside. Kwanza anatembea, ukiangalia kule ambako wanaenda, hata mwenye unashangaa, was it a must? Was it really a must? Was it a must for the president to go where he has gone to? Ilikuwa lazima. Ukijaribu kuangalia, what is the priority of this guy? What is always William Ruto's priority when it comes to Kenyan well-being? Is it his own priority or Kenyan priority? That is why unasikia Wakenya wakiomba kwamba hata jinsi ameenda, hata hiyo ndege ilipuke na akufe. Because Kenyans are tired. Yes, that is not something that we should not pray for. But Kenyans are really tired. Watu wamechoka na ile mambo ambayo yanaendelea. Anyway, that is just my opinion and that is my thought right now. Let me also know what you think at the comment section. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also tell me what you think concerning this matter.